please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to another Scale Model Kit Review. This time I bring you the continuing series of the Meng from the movie Dune. This time it's the 1/72nd scale Atreides Ornithopter. Now this is a legendary series released this year in 2024. And I'm very pleased that I received this kit finally in the mail, and I'm waiting to order the Harkonnen version of the Ornithopter, and when I get that I will review that also on my channel for you. So just to give you a little bit of what the box sides look like on this, they do give us color callouts this time with this kit, and these are those. And they give us some rendering, some computer rendering of the kit. They are keeping with the same boxing style as per the previous kits, the smaller kits that we saw with the Ornithopters and the Spice Harvester. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Right away I see olive drab colored sprue, large blades, and black sprue and olive drab again still. We have tan colored for the base, clear parts, olive drab once again, and the kit instructions. Let's go ahead and look at these first. And here's the kit instructions. It is in a booklet style. It is stapled on the ends here. 20 pages total. Precautionary pages here. And right away we assemble the figures first, and they do give us color callouts. Makes that pretty nice. Then we work on the engines. Then we start working on the interior, getting ready to button up the two halves of the fuselage together, landing gear and such, the canopies, windows, and next we start working on the blades, rotor blades themselves. They don't rotor, what do? They beat up and down. Flies much like a dragonfly. And landing gear. Very, very detailed. Very nice. And they do give us our trees, the key for our trees, and what we should have received with this kit. It doesn't appear to have any decals. And once again, color call out, real nice illustration on how to paint this, what colors. And that is it. Let's look at the parts. Here's the first tree. This looks like the engine parts here. Olive drab in color. Slide molding technology. Very nice there. And there's the back side. Here's the display stand base. And you can see tan in color, plastic. Very nice. The next part of the base. Very cool, represents kind of like sand and all that. And the next tree, which gives us, looks like the top and bottom of the fuselage along with parts of the rotor mechanisms, and olive drab colored there. Very detailed indeed. And here's a close-up. I'm not going to give you a close-up of everything, just stuff that kind of stands out to me in my eye. And here's the figures. The kit comes with 2 trees for the blades. These blades measure 13 inches long. And the next tree has interior components along with the landing gear. Next is a very light tan, and this is the Atreides shield or emblem. Next is the business end of the Ornithopter, and that is the canopy. And here's the clear parts, the canopies. And the last parts tree is the fuselage and some of the other body components. And there you have it. That was a review of the Meng Atreides Ornithopter from the movie Dune. 1/72nd scale, kit number DS-007, part of the Legendary series, released here in 2024. If you'd like to get this for yourself, I put a link in the description below. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.